You're here. You've got teachers, you've got people around here that are going to support you, that are going to help you. Don't be scared. What do you do?
I did play piano, and now I'm doing djembe, which is a type of drum.
Very cool. So you want to make songs? You just want to be a musician?
I want a little bit of both.
I've heard there was a secret chord that David played to praise the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya?
What I want you guys to know, so I've gotten to see a lot of different singers, professional singers, some up and coming. Sophia got up here, you didn't shake in your voice or anything. Way to go. You guys make some noise for Sophia one more time.
But you have to be able to take risks, like Roger and Sophia today. You don't need to wait to see who's going to raise their hand to volunteer. Be the one that does volunteer, because you never know what's behind that opportunity. And sometimes when you sit back, because fear is in your way, you lose the opportunity.